Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create your first map on the MOVA Z60 Ultra. To create your first map, you need to open the app, then click on Start Mapping. You can also just start cleaning without mapping and it'll also create the map. But that will not be a very precise cleaning, nor will it be fast mapping, because it will take more time than a typical cleaning and way more time than a typical fast mapping. So I recommend doing that beforehand, so you can also partition rooms, edit some stuff on the map later, so that before cleaning your robot already knows where not to go, where to adjust some things and stuff like that. You need to make sure that all the room doors are open, the furniture is tidy, the floor is clear of clutter, and the lights are turned on. You shouldn't move the robot or dog during mapping, and now let's click on OK. The robot will start mapping.
About 5 to 10 minutes. During the mapping process, please ensure the entire home is well lit, and do not block the room's entrance or move the robot or dog.
Okay, now it has started. I'll get back to you once it's finished. In my case, it took very little time. It's already done. Because I set the robot on a table on purpose, just for the sake of the video. Of course, it should be set on the floor, so we can go around the whole place, but yeah, it took very little time in my case. So it is almost finished. It's currently returning to the dock, and once it returns, so right now, it will finish the map for me. It may load for a moment before it's finished.
Mapping completed.
Yeah.
Start charging.
And now it starts charging. The map is created. I can adjust it or select that it is correct. There will be a video about how to edit your map, so feel free to watch it. Now you can adjust thresholds if there were any marked on the map. You can see if they were marked correctly. If not, you can adjust them. I'll select that it's correct, and now it is done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.